Hello everyone, my name is Luis Rodriguez and I'm part of the Team 12 of the CS 246 class. This team is conformed by Alejandro Naranjo, Rayson Richardson and myself. We had the great opportunity to develop a mobile application using Android Studio for a gym located in Ecuador. Me and my teammates will explain a little bit about this app. We will describe the sponsor and the purpose of the app for their gym. We will talk about things that the past that we are proud of, and finally, we will talk about the challenging part that we had to develop and what we did to solve or overcome those challenges. So now the time is for Alejandro.
Hello, I will explain a little bit more about the sponsor. The sponsor is my uncle Jose Zavala. He is a bodybuilder who studied at the UNEMI University in Milagro, Ecuador. He works as a health and aesthetic consultant in the provincial department of Milagro. My uncle Jose Zavala owns a gym here in Ecuador called Gimnasio Escorpión, Scorpion Gym. He has a good number of clients and wanted to provide something innovative for them to have a better gym experience. He was offered an app that could provide information on topics that people would like to know in the gym and that could help clients. The sponsor explained to us that he would like an app where he could access that information easily to change it wherever he wants in real time. The app provides information about part of the bodies and their respective importance. Also, a functional diet plan to maintain a good diet and see results, and a BMI calculator that is a way to provide information about the person's weight status and what their body mass index is.
Within the app, we're especially proud of the features that was spoken of earlier by Alejandro, where we created it so that it can be able to add and update contents. And as he mentioned, we also have a body mass index calculator. As you can see here in the application, we have different sections of the body, and within each section, when you click on them, you can get more details of those sections. We also have, as was mentioned by Alejandro, section where you can be able to learn more about having the proper diet to help you as you are exercising and as you're taking care of yourself. The features in the diet section as well is similar to that of the exercise section, where when you click on it, you can be able to see the diets based on the days of the week, and you can be able to take that information and use it for yourself. All of these features are built into the app through Firebase. So Firebase is where we are storing this information in the Firebase real-time database. In the database, we built it this way because we wanted the sponsor to be able to update information as he sees fit, without necessarily needing to come back to the developers, us in this case, to update that information for him. As you can see, we have the description, the images, and the names. And it's the same for the diets as well. Also, the sponsor is able to create accounts for users of his gym, so they can be able to have full access to the application and be able to navigate and use it while they are away or at his gym. We, as was mentioned earlier, we also have the BMI calculator. So say we enter a few numbers. You can see the calculator will let us know. So the BMI calculator is also working. Antonio?
Yeah, thank you. So I think one other big implementation we did on the app was the menu bar, which contains all the activities of the app, and also that the app has its own virtual information system, as Rayshon were explaining, through Firebase, which makes it easy to update monthly data or new routines or diets that you want to add at any time without the APK having to be updated. Uh, Now I'm gonna say something about the challenges we faced. I would say that the implementation of Google Maps, which it was the app is, took several hours for us to solve. However, we found very useful resources that help us to complete the challenge and implement it to the app. I would say that the Firebase implementation was a problem too at the beginning, but however, we managed to make it work as desired.